everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you how to make a copycat version of Starbucks caramel apple cider. We're going to use store-bought Honeycrisp apple cider. This is sold in the refrigerated section. You can get them also on shelf stable, depending on which store you're buying this from. But we're going to use this. I got this at Aldi. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you our limited edition cast iron milk pan for this recipe. I'm going to take 2 cups. I'm going to shake this up real quick just to make sure we get all the spices that are in here remixed. I'm going to put 2 cups. Oh, we're going to have just right enough. A tiny bit more than 2 cups. So of our apple cider, I'm going to pour this into our cast iron milk pan, and I'm going to put this on top of our burner and get it heated up. All right. So what we're going to do next is we're going to make our whipped cream, and we're going to do that using Pampered Chef's immersion blender attachment with the Flex Plus. So if you're not familiar with the Flex Plus, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel so that you can see all about this product. It's 3 cordless appliances in one: the immersion blender, our food processor, and also a hand mixer. So for this, we're going to take 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'll measure that in another easy read measuring cup. Pour that right into our immersion blender container. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Measure that with one of our measuring spoons. So 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. And we're going to do half a teaspoon of Pampered Chef's double strength vanilla extract. And we're going to take our power stick, we're going to attach it to the immersion blender, and then we're going to put our battery on the top. Now, I am going to put this inside of the heavy whipping cream. You're going to see that the light's timed out there. There's this little safety switch on the back. You're going to press that. I'm going to increase the speed to the highest, place this inside, and just start blending. Super quick and easy. I'm going to take the battery off, take our power stick off. Whoops, I'm slinging whipped cream everywhere. I may have even got it in my hair. I'll set this aside, and I'm going to turn this down to medium because that burner is already nice and hot. And I'm going to grab 2 things that I don't have in front of me. And we're going to finish this up real quick. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take a coffee mug, and we're going to carefully pour off some of our, make sure it's not too hot. I'm not going to use that just to be a little bit more stable, but we're going to fill out our cup here with caramel apple cider. I made a mess on my pretty trivet here. My mom gave me that. Get that stain out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add our whipped cream to the top. If you've never ordered this at Starbucks, you're missing out. It's really, really good. All right, get our whipped cream in there. Yum. And I have some homemade caramel sauce, and I put it in a cup of hot water just to kind of liquefy it a little bit more because it has been in the refrigerator. You can get these little containers at the Dollar Tree. Oops, got a little clog there. There we go. Add our caramel. If you don't have homemade caramel, I made that in the deluxe cooking blender. You can buy store-bought caramel at the grocery store. I'm going to sprinkle this with a little bit of Pampered Chef's Korenji cinnamon just to top that off. So there we have it. This is a copycat recipe for Starbucks caramel apple cider. So enjoy. I'll see you next time.